Hi, I'm Jim Cooper, inventor of Canarm's Easy Connect wire connector. I'd like to introduce you to a revolutionary new way of wiring and installing a ceiling fan that will simplify and substantially cut down your installation time at the ceiling. Let me show you how easy Easy Connect is to use. First, always ensure the power has been turned off before doing any electrical work. Start by securing the Easy Connect mounting bracket to the wiring box. Then simply insert your house wiring into the push-in connectors. Black for the live wire, white for the neutral wire, and green for the ground wire. Now connect your ceiling fan and light wiring by repeating the same steps. Push the black wire to power your fan, the blue wire to power your light, white and green wires into the push-in connectors. That's it, your wiring is connected. Secure your decorative canopy to the bracket. Flip the switch and your installation is completed in seconds. Look for this logo at your favorite lighting retailer and simplify your next renovation project with Canarm's Easy Connect push-in wire connector, a better way to connect.